Hello everybody, it's Nathan here. Surprised to see me, because it's been so long since I've done a video. I'm sorry, but today my video is going to be on Mercury, the planet in our solar system. I'm really sorry it's been so long, but this is going to be part of a new series. I'm going to be doing a video on every single planet in the solar system except Pluto, because that's not a planet anymore. It depends. I'll still maybe do a video on it. But sorry it's been so long. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it and make tons of excuses. But I will say I was on holiday for a week of the time. The rest of the time I just, to be honest, kept putting it off and never was really in the mood to do a video. But I'm in the mood now, and I'm gonna do one. So just get on with the video. Mercury is the smallest and the closest to the Sun of the 8 planets in the solar system. It has an orbital period of about like 88 days, which observed from Earth, it appears to move around its orbit in like about 116 days, which is much faster than any of the other planets because it's closer to the Sun. This rapid motion may lead to like it being named after the Roman deity Mercury, who was like a fast-flying messenger who carried messages to the gods and stuff like that. That's probably why it was called, because it's the fastest turning planet in the solar system. Because Mercury basically has no atmosphere whatsoever, like Earth does. It has no atmosphere to retain heat, so Mercury's surface experiences the greatest like temperature variations of all planets, ranging from 100 Kelvin, which is minus 173 degrees, or minus 280 Fahrenheit at night, to 700 Kelvin, which is, I think, 427 degrees, or 800 Fahrenheit. And that's, like, during the day, the last digit I said. Kelvin is a unit of measurement. It is a unit of measurement for temperature. This is one of the 7 base units in the International System of Units, or the SI. The International System of Units defines 7 units of measurement at a basic set form. The SI base units and their physical quantities are a meter for length, kilograms for mass, second for time, ampere for electrical current, Kelvin for temperature. I don't know if I pronounce this right, so I'm just going to put it on words on the screen. It's like a candelier for luminosity, or a mole for the amount of substance. Because Mercury's orbit lies within Earth's orbit, as does Venus, it can appear like in Earth's sky in the morning or the evening, but not in the middle of the night. Also like Venus and the Moon, it displays a complete range of phases in the sky as it moves around its orbit in relation to Earth. Mercury's a rocky body like Earth. It is the smallest planet in the solar system, with a radius of 2,439.7 kilometers. I'm going to show you a picture now. This is just like a diagram of the internal structure of Mercury. It has a crust of 100 to 300 kilometers thick. It has a mantle of 600 kilometers thick, and the core is 1,800 kilometer radius. So basically, its core is bigger than the crust. The crust is really thin. The crust is really thin. The mantle is usually really big, but compared to this, the core is the smallest. Geologists estimate that Mercury's core occupies about 42% of its volume. For Earth, our core only takes up 7%. Research published by a great scientist in 2007 suggests that Mercury has a molten core, unlike Earth, because Earth has a solid iron core with liquid around it. Surrounding the core is the 500 to around 700 kilometer mantle, and Mercury's crust is believed to be about 100 to 300 kilometers thick. We don't know exactly how thick it is. That's why I'm saying between. We know it's between those, but we can't tell because nothing's actually landed on it because it's too close to the Sun. There are certain like craters on Mercury that range from different diameters, from like small bowl-shaped kind of craters to like multi-craters like in the same spot. Like can be hundreds of kilometers across. They like appear to be in all like different shapes and sizes, from like really deep ones, stuff like that. There are many from looking at it from the telescope. There are many craters that look quite fresh. That's the word I'm looking for. They look quite fresh from so like they're not been like year. They wouldn't be like in this year, but they not wouldn't be too often like meteors would hit it. But every now and then there would be one that would hit it. The largest known crater is Carlos Bassin. I'll put that name. I'll put the word across there, with a diameter of 150 and 1,550 kilometers across. The impact of this crater was so powerful it caused lava to like erupt, and like so this was so it was like so big to the planet that when it hit, lava erupted from that crater, which made like it left like a concrete ring type thing surrounding the impact crater. I guess that's all I have to say. That's all I have to say about this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and once again, I'm so sorry for the long wait. But next week I should be doing my video should be on Venus. I'm going to go from closest to the sun out to furthest. I'm sorry it took so long, but I will try and keep the videos next time. Thank you very much for watching. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, stuff like that. And yeah, see you guys next time. See ya.